naweka kando. Inachukuliwa wherever you like it or not. Whether ndekni or lopni, they must deduct it. And that it is unfair for common farmers who are waking up very early in the morning to go and farm. We are not supposed to joke, our friends. Those top management who are in government, please, our friends, think twice before you elaborate. We cannot just go in that direction. Today, tomorrow, and the following day. You are being deducted 5% in what you deliver to the miller. And people cannot work like that. Please, my friends who are in top management, let us think twice before we say yes. This thing, there are so many challenges on it. Please, 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 let us not dance. Let us think twice or 3 times. By the same time, you are being deducted 50 shilling. E-citizen, you must pay. The same money, you are being deducted no, KRA pia wako nawe. Wanakuambia unatukia tu simu. Tap. Saa hii ukikuwa mkulima wa miwa, ukipeleka miwa kwa factory, chua vizuri, siku moja utapigiwa simu, wewe ndio fulani. Ni mimi. Tunataka kwako kitu milioni 2. Milioni 2? Where is this 2 million is coming from? Mkubwa amesema. Wiki mkubwa wamesema la sivyo tutakuja kuchukua vitu zako. Jamani. No bwana. No. Kada go poni chamo chuni mochielu kwa ekuro bwana. Think twice before. No. Kama watu waweze fikiria mara mbili. There is a problem ahead here.
Where does the million coming from?
Okay. Kama sio hivyo, nasema ni asante kwa wale wote ambao wamehudhuria mkutano wa leo. Kuna kitu imeniuma kidogo. Ukiangalia vile mtu anaamka asubuhi, anaenda analima na anatozwa mara 4 kwa hiyo pesa moja. Kwa shilingi 1000 unatozwa ushuru mara 4. In case hata umetumia mtu, ikirudi huyo akukulipa kwa simu, ikirudi kwa account yako, bado KRA wanakudai. Wanakuambia hii pesa nyingine iliingia ilitoka wapi? Yawa. Where are we heading? No. No. Even if somebody is dancing near you about broad base, linga achinena beto ber baba nyowe wai broad base lakini owadu agini kiae. You don't know even the meaning of Broadways. Tell me of Broadways. You are dancing that Broadways. It is good. Baba left us in Broadways. But let us think twice before we start dancing. Ko kama nojo purwa anamo. Siasa be mitnagamatin. Kanisa be mitnamatin. Teachmatek be mitnamatin. And that's why I'm multi-purpose. Atieko kawacho ni jowadwa moloyo 1 kakajo nagi berto ber wewa kama winjire ngamotero minu mane wonu okay ni kamano to samoro be ipenye to baba mibiro ni ukabi ni chalnade mibiro bere kuloth kwaje mi huyo ukwaje mi loka ukwajo emetimo nade baba kapu be kitinga ukapu sam koro owewa Broadways. I'm not criticizing Broadways, but there is something. Mano awacho ni magana kimielo na Broadways. Don't take it mokabit. Maka penny. You cannot answer. You cannot. You cannot answer. The truth of the matter. You cannot. Yes, sir. Ka penny kada penny mna moelo. Nikane no bology NHIF. But perigi sha si so Semej. Pesa maneni idebekanyo no dikule. Hindi mela dojo no Broadways. Pesa godu na dodume ka wari duka mopo. Toko waro duka kusepo. To kinyo dono dogu duka no. To dogu duka no kiki yao. To pesa dika titrela dika madhi. Ai go kinyo di bok punani ni na mielo na ninge ni gini metina mielo. Apana. Inyo no welo kami mieli kidokieni. Atieko kagi manega tomor ma betgoka ta paro man to sema ohingo nikech politics is about system to kind about system kati ber manadi tionge system na Kenya emomio mato hingo lakini barua ni ncheka machina nade kama oreni kenda ore gai tongo anglie magado kangi winjo ni dwara tane be aroma dwara nikech dungu ng'eyo ero kamano security kamantie orang nyathino nyalo njawo welo kendo orang kama nyalo kane maber ang'ene no wodwa nyathiwa security rangi uru kiko njawo welo kao kamano jakorando akaw thuolo ni idhi mi kendo in midhi yawo pawni okay in short matin adhi jakorando kapok ichung' dakika achiel kende kora lokora kata MC maka nikech aneno ka type odhi emomiyo ang'ado gini weche tan go ka kata otase ni pareno kasomo.
It is true that Broadways is good, and even me myself I like it, but there are other things that we must think twice before all the time we are singing and dancing, saying yes, yes, yes. At some time it need us also to say no, because the taxation, even we as farmers in sugarcane plantation, when you take your cane to miller, there is a lot deduction taxes, because during President Uhuru Kenyatta and Kibaki and even Moi, the tax was only 1%, while now it is 1% plus 2% plus 2%. Now it is coming 5%. But by the end of the day, you find out that KRA also is demanding some taxes there. Now you are being confused to know which is which, because you receive calls from outside that you are needed to pay some another tax in the same amount. Now we farmers, where are we heading? Yes, we are in Broadways, but these Broadways, the top management are supposed to check this tax. It is too much, and as soon as possible, many farmers are going to collapse. They will not do it, because if you receive a call from KRA, they are demanding you 2 million, 4 million. Now you are being confused, because you are being challenged. You can ask 2 million, and with me you have already, the company have already paid some tax there. Now it is very difficult, and I could urge our top management, even those people, we are in Broadways, yes, but let us talk with our president that this tax is too much for farmers.
Kwa timba kali za Afrika, DAB Radio ndio mpango mzima.